What's up guys, today we're gonna do a simple wash on my car. My car is as a wrap and we're gonna test this wax and wash. Do it. Alright guys, so today we're gonna do a simple wash, alright, on my car. Nothing fancy or nothing, just a simple wash. And I'm gonna test this wash and wax for Meguiars. Let's see how this one works. Okay, this one already has a wax, alright, so because my car needs to be washed. I don't know if you can see it. Wow, no, it's hard to see. Has a lot of pollen from the trees and the flowers and all those things. First, I'm gonna rinse the car with the water so I can get the whole car wet. After the car is rinsed, I always like to wash the top part of the car first, and then after that the bottom part. That way the dirt that is on the top, it will go down, and then I'll always do the bottom part next. I always like to leave the wheels for the last thing, because that way the dirt that is on the wheels, it won't scratch my paint or my wrap. To dry the car, I use a big microfiber. This one is very cool. I like it because it dries faster, absorbs the water very fast, and dries the car faster, and I don't have to do too many passes. So after I dry the whole car, I do the wheels, and that's the last thing I do, because that way after I'm finished drying the wheels, I can wash my microfiber for the next wash. And for the last touch, I always like to use the wet tire spray. This will make the car look more clean and nice, and the tires, they look amazing. Alright, now the car is ready. Looks super nice and clean. Yeah, the soap with the wax is very cool. It leaves the car super shiny. You can see it there. And now it's protected because the soap has a wax. But one thing I found, man, I have a dent. You can see it there. I don't know if it was from the freeway. It didn't scratch the paint, but it scratched my wrap. And now I can see it. Man. That's only downside of this. I don't know who did it, or when I was on the freeway something hit it, but I didn't see it. So, but it looks super clean. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. It's raining right now. I mean, I just washed it, but the good thing about the wax, the water will slide faster. Okay, so this was only a simple wash, nothing fancy, nothing too crazy. And the Meguiar's wash and wax is amazing. I like it, I love it. I'm gonna use it a lot. So let me know what you guys think. The link is gonna be on the description of the video. Put in the comments your opinion. And if you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.